Cybersecurity engineers and ethical hackers often write programs to automate tasks, analyze data, and identify or exploit vulnerabilities. Here are 20 common types of programs they might write. 1. Network scanners. These programs scan networks to identify active devices, open ports, or find services running on a server. 2. Packet sniffers. These programs capture and analyze network traffic to understand what is happening on the network. 3. Vulnerability scanners. These programs scan systems to detect known vulnerabilities that can be exploited. 4. Web scrapers. These programs extract data from web pages, which can be useful for information gathering. 5. Brute force attackers. These programs attempt to crack passwords by trying many different combinations until they find one that works. 6. SQL injection tools. These programs are used to exploit SQL injection vulnerabilities in web applications. 7. XSS, cross-site scripting attackers. These programs exploit XSS vulnerabilities in web applications. 8. DDoS attack simulators. These programs can generate a high volume of traffic to test how a system can handle a DDoS attack. 9. Wi-Fi crackers. These programs try to crack Wi-Fi passwords using various techniques like dictionary attacks, rainbow table attacks, etc. 10. Forensic tools. These programs help recover deleted files, analyze disk images, etc. in forensic investigations. 11. Malware analyzers. These programs analyze malware to understand its functionality, origin, and potential impact. 12. Reverse engineering tools. These programs decompile software to understand its source code and functionality. 13. Exploit scripts. These programs are used to exploit known vulnerabilities in a system. 14. Social engineering tools. These programs help in performing phishing, baiting, or other social engineering attacks. 15. Steganography tools. These programs hide data within other data, which is useful in covert operations. 16. Log analysis scripts. These programs help in analyzing logs to identify suspicious activities. 17. Encryption or decryption tools. These programs encrypt and decrypt data, providing a way to secure communication. 18. Firewall evasion scripts. These programs find ways to bypass firewalls and network intrusion detection systems. 19. Honeypot scripts. These programs simulate vulnerable systems to attract attackers and study their techniques. 20. Traffic tunneling scripts. These programs encapsulate network communication into other protocols to bypass network restrictions or maintain anonymity. In the next videos, we'll be delving into each one and showing some demo code for you to understand the principles.